Hi everyone! It's a warm sunny day today. The sun is out. It's very warm and so I needed to wear my sunglasses. So this afternoon I'm going to show you some of the very basic equipment that we need when we're going to set up a fish hatchery. Okay, so now we're inside what I call as the pump house, and here you can see some of the PVC materials that we need for laying the pipes. These ones are called uh, T's, and this one are elbows, also these and these. So there are two very basic equipment that you need when you're going to set up a fish hatchery, and these are the water pump. The water pump is what you use when you are going to draw water from the sea or from other freshwater source. So here we have two water pumps. These are both gas powered. One is movable because we're using it to remove water from some of the far located fish tanks we have. And then here is one which is already attached to a pipe towards the sea and towards the other tanks. This one is an electric powered water pump. This one is not yet attached. It is we have already set it for with the connection to the electricity, but we didn't put any pipes yet because anyway we have these water pumps. We have already two gas powered pumps working. This one is going to serve as like a backup if in case these two other are going to break down. Okay, this is I'm going to show you. This one is, you know, this uh, a electric breaker for controlling the flow of electricity. And in this side, I'm going to show you. This is called a roots blower. A root blower is a machine that produces air, and this air is pumped towards the fish tanks to provide air for the fish larvae or the other brood stocks that we have in the farm. In my last video, I showed you the area that was still empty. That time, when I took the video, we were still clearing up the area, and this time we actually already have some tanks and concrete tanks. Okay, the water tanks of course are not equipment, but they are very basic when you're going to set up a fish hatchery, because this is where you're going to put your larvae, your broodstocks, the fry and the fingerling that the hatchery is going to produce. So here we only have two concrete tanks as of now, but we have a good number of fiberglass tanks, as you can see in the far distance there. And we have 12 tonner tanks, we have 6 tonner tanks, we also have 4 tonner tanks. We have a boat. No, it's not a boat. It's a boat that is being built by the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources. Okay, and here we have fiberglass tanks, and these are 1 tonner tanks. Hatchery house. This is the hatchery house. I hope you can see. The sun is so strong I cannot see my camera. Okay, so before we go inside the hatchery house, I want to show you first some beautiful driftwoods, because we're located near the sea, and then sometimes beautiful pieces of wood are brought to the shore by strong waves, so I have them pick up and I set them up here. So this one has been newly picked up. I'm going to set it later, but here we have there. It's like a flower table, but of course it's not really a table because there's no flat surface there and you cannot put coffee there. And this one is a bench. um, this one is also a bench, but I planted a flower here to serve as like a small decoration. Then on the side of the house we also have other food. I plan to put a lot of flowers, some hanging flowers and some planted on the ground, but I still haven't had enough time to do this. I am quite very busy, but we're soon going to do that. Okay, so here, let's go inside the hatchery house. It says welcome. Okay, now I'm showing you another electric water pump. This one is still not set up yet. This one is a 5 horsepower electric water pump. I don't need it yet, so it's staying there for the meantime. Okay, on this side, I'm going to show you a set of aero tubes. This is another kind of tube. If you're familiar with the setting up of the oxygen in a fish tank, we usually use the, let's say, the air tubes and then the air stones. But this one is a better one because the aero tubes produces more foam and it creates, let's say, provides more oxygen to the water. So what you're going to do is to cut the length of the air tube that you need. You just have to cut this depending on how much you want, how long you want your air tube to be, and you can roll it like in a circle, or you can just leave it like a long straight line. So in this hole is where the air line is going to be set, and then the air is going to flow out of this pipe, and it's going to produce a foamy air. Okay, when you set up a fish hatchery, you also need a power generator. This one is I think this is a 10 horsepower generator. It's not mine. It's being used by the men who are building the boat here, but we'll soon have our own electric generator. You need this one because in times when the electric power is down, you still need to keep the aeration in the water tank. So there's no way that the electricity is going to stop in a fish hatchery, so you need this one. Okay, in this corner is another roots blower. This is a more a stronger roots blower. It's going to be used when we have more species in this hatchery. As of now, we still have one, so I only need the roots blower that's already installed in the pump house. Okay. Okay, guys, so it's getting late. I need to go home. Today I've shared to you the very basic equipment that you need when you're going to set up a fish hatchery. If you like this video, if you like what I have shown you, and if you want more information regarding the setting up of a fish hatchery, on how to operate it, and then how to earn in a fish hatchery business, and other things about fisheries for that matter, then subscribe to my channel. I assure you there's going to be more videos about this, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much. Bye bye.